Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Vamsi and you are watching Vamsi Vlog. Now we are going to see the restored Pulsar 150. Let's see how it is. The old spoke wheels are replaced with alloy wheels, and the drum braking system is replaced with disc brake. The headlight is replaced with round old 150 Pulsar headlight, and it has a new signal lights. The handlebar is customized with additional rod. It has a brand new side rear mirrors. The body is coated with metallic fern green. The suspensions are coated with radium orange, radium green, and the finishing is done with gold lining. The rear wheel tire is brand new C8. Both the wheels are coated with metallic shore blue. The engine is coated with metallic dull black. The stump pipes are coated with metallic gold. The cost of the restoration is 15,000 rupees. If you want any restoration, please contact us. The painting job was done by our expert Mira Spray Paintings. That's it for now, friends. If you like our video, please like, share, subscribe. Vamsi Vlogs.